If you're experiencing dryness on your wash days, today's video might be the answer to your problem. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple DIY shampoo that you can do in the comfort of your home that will moisturize your hair using just simple 2 ingredients. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, to make this shampoo, all you need is a black soap. Now you can use any black soap that is within you. This is the one that I can get. There is a black soap that is wrapped in a carton kind of stuff. If you have that, you can use it. I don't know, I'm going to explain that, but maybe I'll put a picture of. So yeah, just use a black soap. And then black soap is made with so many natural nutrients like palm oil, palm kernel, plantain. There's so many things that is used to make black soap, so it is rich. It can also benefit your hair, okay, but using black soap alone will dry out your hair, okay, which is the reason why we are going to be adding the second ingredients. Okay, so keep watching. Now if your black soap is in pieces form, I hope that makes sense, there's no need to pieces it again, but if it's in solid form like this, please pieces it, okay, so that it will dissolve faster. The dissolving process will be a lot faster. Okay, so I'm going to add hot water that will just cover the soap, all right, and then I'll cover it and let it dissolve completely. However, in my case, it did not really dissolve completely because I didn't wait for so long. The day I was making this soap was the same day that I was going to use it, but you can make this at night and use it the next morning. Okay, that way the whole thing will dissolve completely and you will not be wasting anyone. All right, so the second ingredient that we are going to be adding is aloe vera. Okay, aloe vera is known for its moisturizing benefits. Like when I tell you that aloe vera is what you need, especially for this winter period, I am not even joking, and I'm sure you know that. So if your hair is dry now this period, aloe vera got your back. All right, you can use it as a leave-in, you can use it as a moisturizer, but here we are using it as a moisturizer to add moisture to our soap, to our black soap, so that it will not be super drying. All right, so I've showed the process of extracting this aloe vera and some of the things that you need to know. You can watch the video up, it's already on my channel. Okay, now once I finish extracting my aloe vera, I'm going to move on to the next step, which is combining the soap and the aloe together. Guys, this part is very necessary. Okay, I love my aloe vera gel, this slimy, it makes sense a lot. So here is the next step. Now look at my soap. Like I said, I didn't leave this thing for like so long, but I left it for up to 2 hours, and this is what it was looking like. Like I said, you can leave yours to stay overnight, to sit overnight. That is going to completely dissolve the way that you want it. All right, so now I'm going to be straining this soap. Once I am done, I'm going to add tea tree essential oil. If you're having any scalp issues, scalp related issues, tea tree is going to solve that problem for you. And also I added a little bit of oil. Now the reason why I did not add much oil is I want this soap to lather so much for me because of what I used as my pupil. I need this shampoo to be able to wash it out completely and thoroughly for me. Okay, and that is why I did not add a lot of oil. The more oil you add to this soap, the more the lather will reduce. Okay, and I don't want that. I want it to foam. And do you know that in the ancient days they used aloe vera alone as a shampoo to clean the hair? That is because aloe vera too can clean the scalp and plus balance the pH of your body. Okay, so now that I am done mixing, it is time to transfer this into our applicator bottle. Okay, now I'm using a transparent bottle so that you will be able to see everything. However, you can use any container of your choice. Now one of my secrets is that I don't throw away any of my used containers. So when I buy a product and the product is finished, I am saving my container for purposes such as this one. So here, this is how my hair was looking. When I say that the oil that I applied on this hair, the oil that I used as my pupil on this very day was thick oil, like very thick oil. you could see. But at the end of the day, this shampoo was able to wash my hair. Like I had to, if you see, you could see that I almost used up the whole shampoo. That is because I washed my hair over and over and over again to be able to, you know, get rid of the oil of my hair. And imagine that I was using anyhow shampoo for this washing. Imagine that I was using any kind of shampoo to just wash my hair over and over and over again. You could just imagine how drying that would have been for my hair. But I'm telling you, after washing your hair with this shampoo, even if you choose not to condition your hair, you are saved. I'm not even joking. Like if you choose not to condition your hair after washing with this shampoo, you are safe. You know that 10 minutes wash routine that you want to do, like you need to go somewhere but your hair is dirty and the hairstyle you want to put it on, you need to wash your hair, right? Use this shampoo. Just plan it. Just plan this shampoo a day before. Make it, wash your hair the morning before you do whatever you want to do, and follow up with your leave-in conditioner and everything. And I'm telling you, your hair will look super nice. Okay, so yeah, I hope you love this video, guys. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It means a whole lot for me. And this shampoo is very, very beneficial, especially for this winter period. Please try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you've tried it this way, please also let me know. Okay, and with that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Please take care of yourself and stay blessed. Bye.